Hello children, welcome to the VVPS e-learning class. Children, I think you all remember that nowadays we are doing written work of lesson number 6, the coastal plains and islands. From last 4 days we were doing the exercises in which we have done exercise A, choose the correct option, exercise B, match the following columns, exercise C, fill in the blanks, and exercise D, true and false. I think children you all have completed it in your copies. If anyone has not done it in your copies, first of all do the exercises and then come on the question answers. Proceeding in the same order, today we are going to do the question answers. Clear? Now children see, first of all we have to write lesson number 6, the coastal plains and islands with black pen. Clear? Date and page number as usual we are writing always. So keep remembering it in your brain. Now put the heading, answer the questions. Clear? Answer the questions with black pen. Clear children? Okay. Now we'll copy question number 1. Write with black pen. Describe the extent of the western coastal plain. Full stop. Describe the extent of the western coastal plain. Full stop. See the spelling of extent. E-X-T-E-N-T. Extent. Clear children? Now write the answer. The western coastal plain extends from the Gulf of Kutch and ends at Kanyakumari. Children, see carefully. Question I have written with black, answer I have written with blue, and I am leaving one line in between it. Clear? Now see answer once again. The western coastal plain extends from the Gulf of Kutch and ends at Kanyakumari. Children, in western coastal plain, in question, western W is capital, in coastal C is capital, and in plain P is capital. In the same way in answer, in western W is capital and in coastal C is capital. Extends spelling C from the Gulf, Gulf, Gulf of Kutch. See the spelling of Kutch. K-A-C-H-C-H-H. Clear? K-A-C-H-C-H-H. Kutch and ends at Kanyakumari. K-A-N-N-I-Y-A Kanya. K-U-M-I-M-A-R-I Kumari. Now question number 2. Again take black pen in your hands. Name 5 important ports located along the Indian coastline. See again question number 2. Write with black pen. Name 5 important ports located along the Indian coastline. Answer. Important ports are, again blue pen. In answer I am using blue pen. Important ports are A. Mumbai, B. Kochi, C. Kolkata, D. Chennai, and E. Paradip. See again. Important ports are A. Mumbai, B. Kochi, C. Kolkata, D. Chennai, and E. Paradip. Clear? See the spellings please. M-U-M-B-A-I Mumbai, K-O-C-H-I Kochi, K-O-L-K-A-T-A Kolkata, C-H-E-N-N-A-I Chennai, and P-A-R-A-D-I-P Paradip. As I entered the new page, I have written page number and date over here. You also do the same thing. Now children, see one thing. I have written one name in one line. Clear? Not the other name here. So write one name in one line as I have done and write it beautifully. Clear? Now question number 3. Which 3 water bodies meet near Kanyakumari? Question number 3. Again black pen. Which 3 water bodies meet near Kanyakumari, question mark. Answer. Again take blue pen in your hands. 3 water bodies meet near Kanyakumari are Bay of Bengal in the east, comma, Indian Ocean in the south and Arabian Sea in the west. See once again. Answer 3. 3 water bodies meet near Kanyakumari are Bay of Bengal in the east, comma, Indian Ocean in the south and Arabian Sea in the west. Full stop. See the difficult spellings. Water bodies, W-A-T-E-R, water, B-O-D-I-E-S, bodies. Kanyakumari, I told you the spelling, K-A-N-N-I-Y-A, Kanya, or K-U-M-A-R-I, Kumari, K will be capital. Then Bay of Bengal, B and B will be capital, B-A-Y, Bay, of B-E-N-G-A-L, Bengal. Then East, Indian में I and O will be capital, I-N-D-I-A-N, Indian, O-C-E-A-N, ocean. In the south and Arabian Sea in the west, A-R-A-B-I-A-N, Arabian, S-E-A-C. Clear? Now see all 3 answers once again. First of all, you will write date, page number, then lesson number 6, the coastal plains and islands with black pen. Then put the heading with black pen, answer the questions. Question number 1. Describe the extent of the western coastal plain with black pen. Okay, children? Now answer with blue pen. The western coastal plain extends from the Gulf of Kutch and ends at Kanyakumari. Leave one line in between. Write question with black and answer with blue. Now question number 2. Name 5 important ports located along the Indian coastline. Important ports are, with blue pen, A. Mumbai, B. Kochi, C. Kolkata, D. Chennai and E. Paradip. Again new page, date, page number. Then again question number 3. Take black pen in your hands. Which 3 water bodies meet near Kanyakumari? Question mark. Which 3 water bodies meet near Kanyakumari? Question mark. Answer with blue pen. 3 water bodies meet near Kanyakumari are Bay of Bengal in the east, comma, Indian Ocean in the south and Arabian Sea in the west. I hope children you all have understood it well. You have to do these 3 answers in your classwork copies in a beautiful handwriting. Rest question answers I'll give you in next class. Clear, children? Thank you, children. Stay at home, stay safe and keep yourself healthy. Thank you.